Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can create flowchart in Microsoft Word. Okay, from insert, go to start art. From here, select hierarchy. Here we have different styles. You can select it which one you prefer. For example, I selected organization chart. Okay, first you can delete all the text here. Delete. Okay, now to get this window, just click here. Okay, name this one. Okay, then hit enter. Then hit the tab on your keyboard. Comes to here. We can say S. Okay. Then from here, hit enter. We want to connect this text box to this one. Just hit tab. Great. Let's drag it to here. Good. Yes. Good. We need another one. Hit enter. Then no. Good. Now let us arrange this text to here. This one to here. Okay. Then from yes, hit enter. Hit tab. Just say replace the pump. Okay, you can bring it to here. For this one, hit enter, then tab key. We can say plug it in. Okay, now bring this one to here. Good. Now you can change the shapes. For example, select the face box, this one and this one. Then from format, change shapes. For example, I change it to this shape. You see? Also select this one and you can change it to diamond shape. Good. Regarding the lines, just select all the lines. Hold Ctrl and select all the lines. Then from format, shape outline, change it to this type. Again from shape outline, weight, make it to this size. Okay. Also regarding the color, just select it, for example, this one and this one. I change its color from format, shape fill, for example, to red color. This one, for example, for this color. That's it. If you found it helpful, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Have a nice time.